homeowner hired someone to paint their new cabinets, and I would guess from my experience that they have utilized the wrong primer or the right primer incorrectly. Even though the can may say 1 hour dry time, atmosphere, many things affect that dry time. Also, that's not necessarily a cure time. The best thing is to wait at least 24 hours before applying an acrylic over an oil, especially on a wood substrate. So when putting it over a solid wood and then quickly applying an acrylic enamel over the top, they trapped in those vapors and in the process created a little chamber where that stays and nothing adheres to the wood. And as the paint dries, it shrinks and then bonds to the primer and pulls it off the surface of the wood, which then makes it come off relatively easy. The other issue is that they rolled these cabinets with a roller. Many people would much prefer to see some brush marks, if not a nice smooth sprayed finish. In this case, they were supposed to be sprayed. We were called in after the fact, so I don't know all the particulars of her interaction with them, but she obviously hired the wrong painter. We'll be able to sand it, get it back to raw wood, properly prime it, let that primer cure, and apply a top coat to the proper mill thickness by spraying. It should be as good as it should have been in the beginning. The real heartbreaking thing is that they will pay now basically 2.5 times to get the job done, because they paid to have it done the first time. They're going to pay to have it stripped, and then they're going to pay us to do it correctly.